Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2020 GLC 300 4MATIC. This one is a Mojave Silver Metallic. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 255 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one does come with front and rear LED daytime running lights, 18-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. A black MB-Tex interior, panorama sunroof. Coming around back, we've got our GLC 300 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, clean set of all-season floor mats, fold-down rear seats, cargo cover. Coming alongside, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, keyless entry, a natural grain ash wood trim, heated seats, memory seats, power windows, an LED logo which appears when you open the door, illuminated door sills, heated steering wheel. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, touchscreen media display, a rear view backup camera. Also new to Mercedes-Benz is our Mercedes-Benz user experience. Change ambient light to green.
Okay, I'm changing the color.
And as simple as that, you're able to give it voice commands and it will do so. We've got dual climate controls, hard keys for a media display, wireless charging, USB ports, cup holders, dynamic selects for different driving patterns, touchpad for our infotainment center, our key. This GLC 300 has 7,373 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLC 300 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.